60% of small businesses shut down within 6 months of a cyber attack. That's not a scare tactic, it's a hard truth. The reality is, most businesses aren't equipped to handle today's IT challenges alone. And according to Patrick Burt, president of Adrim Systems Corporation, investing in the right managed services is crucial to ensuring business operations run smoothly and security is never compromised. Whether it's network issues, cybersecurity threats, or cloud mismanagement, businesses face daily tech obstacles that eat into productivity and open the door to risk. Managed services solve that. They put IT tasks into the hands of experts so businesses can focus on growth, not troubleshooting. Let's break it down. Managed network services keep your systems running fast and smooth. Managed security services defend against rising threats, like the 30% spike in weekly attacks reported in mid-2024. Managed cloud solutions bring flexibility and scale, cutting down on hardware costs and boosting disaster recovery. Then there's managed communication, VoIP, video, and chat tools that make teamwork seamless. Add in IT support, specialized services for industries like healthcare and finance, and extras like disaster recovery and compliance management, and you've got a full ecosystem that supports uptime, performance, and long-term growth. Want to see how each service supports your business strategy? Read the full article on our website. And don't forget, you can save this podcast to your playlist to revisit whenever you need a quick refresher.